Hello, in this video we're going to learn the quotient rule, which is one of the important rules of differentiation, and you use it when two functions are divided. So if two functions are divided and I tell you to find the differentiation, then this is the formula to use. The formula is the bottom times the differentiation of the top minus top times the differentiation of the bottom divided by the bottom square. So it may sound a bit difficult, but it's not. So let's see an example. If I give you y equals, say, x cubed divided by x squared plus 6, something like this, and the question is to find y prime. So the differentiation of that. So again, your job is to find f, g, f prime, and g prime. So f is the top and g is the bottom. So f is x cubed and g is x squared plus 6. F prime is the power rule. If you don't remember the rules, again look at the formulas. This is 3x squared, and this is again power rule, and the constant becomes 0, so it's 2x. And then all you have to do is plug them all into the right hand side here. So g first, put that in a bracket, x squared plus 6 times f prime, 3x squared, minus f, which is x cubed, times g prime, which is 2x, divided by the bottom square, so x squared plus 6 squared. Then simplify as much as you can. You multiply this inside the bracket, it becomes 3x4 plus 18x squared minus 2x to the 4. And you can expand the bottom. You should get x4 plus 12x squared plus 36. And x squared is common on the top, so you can factor the x squared out. That should be your final answer. Okay, we can do one more. Okay, so if I give you another example, so y equals e to the x divided by x to the 4. Find f, g, f prime, and g prime. So f here is e to the x, g is x to the 4. The differentiation of f is e to the x, it remains the same. G prime is the power rule, so it becomes 4x cubed. Then all you have to do is plug it into the formula, which was g times f prime minus f times g prime over g squared. So g is x4 times f prime e to the x minus e to the x times 4x cubed over x to the 8. If you square x to the 4, it becomes x to the 8. If you don't know this, just refresh your basics. Now what's common on the top? E to the x is common. What else? X cubed is common. And whatever is left goes into the bracket. So we get x minus 4 over x to the 8. This cancels this, leaving 5. So final answer I write it here. E to the x times x minus 4 divided by x to the 5. That's your final answer. Let's just try one more. Okay, say if I give you ln of x squared over x cubed, something like this. F G F prime G prime. So F here is ln x squared, G is x cubed. F prime, you will have to use the chain rule now because something other than x inside the bracket. So it's 1 over x squared times 2x. This is the chain rule. Just refresh it if you've forgotten it. And simplify. The 2 remains. This cancels that. So f prime is 2 over x. And g prime is 3x squared. Using the power rule, now put them into the formula. You should get g times f prime minus f times g prime over g squared x to the 6. And then simplify. This cancels this, leaving 2. So what is common on the top is x squared. So you're left with 2 minus ln x squared times 3x squared over x to the 6. Cancel this, make it 4. So final answer 2 minus ln x squared times 3x squared over x to the 4. And this is your final answer. I hope this makes sense. Any questions, you can type in below.